Socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. So, before the year 1914, all the political parties were declared illegal in Russia. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respected Marx's idea. So, a Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in the year 1898, and it and this party was based on the Marx ideas. However, because of government policing, it had to operate as an illegal organization. So, as before the 1914, all the political parties were declared as illegal. So, this party was also referred as the illegal organization. It set up a newspaper, mobilized workers, and organized strikes. So, their main objective was to publish the newspaper and give awareness to the workers how the workers were exploited, and they used to organize strikes as a revolt. Some Russian socialists felt that the Russian peasants' custom of dividing land periodically made them natural socialists. So some Russian socialists, they think that the Russian peasants, they as they were divided according to the land which they have, they plays an important socialist. So peasants, not workers, would be the main force of the revolution, and the Russia could become socialist more quickly than other countries. So instead of focusing on workers, we should focus on peasants, who plays an important role in the Russian revolution, and with the help of the peasants they can finally promote the ideas of socialists in other countries too. Socialists were active in the countryside through the late 19th century. So the idea of socialist, that means the welfare of the poor section of the society, was active in the Russia in the late 19th century. They formed the Socialist Revolutionary Party in 1900. So they form a Socialist Revolutionary Party in the year 1900. This party struggled for peasants' rights and demanded that the land belonging to nobles be transferred to the peasant. So the main objective of the Socialist Revolutionary Party was they wanted that the peasants should get their basic rights, okay, and they also demanded that the land belonging to the nobles category, it should be given to the peasants. Social Democrats disagreed with socialist revolutionaries about peasants. So the Social Democrats, they disagree that the land of the noble should not be given to the peasants. Lenin felt that peasants were not one united groups. Lenin is one of the social reformer or socialist uh, worker. He said that the peasants were not, you can say, regarded as a one united group. There was differences among the peasants. Some were poor, others rich, and some worker as laborers, while others were capitalists who employed workers. So all the, you can say, peasants, they were not equal, because some peasants, they were poor, some were rich, and some workers, they used to work under the factory as an employee, and some used to provide the job to the other workers. Given this differentiation within them, they could not all be part of socialist movement. So according to Lenin, if all these people, they are different from each other, how they will be able to participate in a socialist movement? So beforehand, they should be equal in every aspect. The party was divided over the strategy of organization. Vladimir Lenin, who led the Bolshevik group, thought that in a repressive society like Tsarist Russia, the party should be disciplined and should control the number and quality of its member. So, according to Lenin, he thought that the society or the party should be divided according to the organization, in which the party should be, the party's members should be trained in to be disciplined, and they should control the numbers, that how much members will be in the party, and what will be the quality of the members. Then only we can overthrow the Tsarist Russia party from the Russia. Others, that is Menshevik, thought that the party should be open to all, as in Germany. So the One party is Bolshevik party, which is of Lenin, and the other party is Menshevik, which think that the party, that means the socialist, you can say, or you can say the group of peasants and worker, that party should be open to all. That means, as in German, that means all should be all the people who are suffering in the Russia should be included in the Menshevik. So hence we can say that there was a two group which have different ideology from each other. One is Bolshevik group, which is founded by Vladimir Lenin, and the other is Menshevik by the other socialist people.